This is our chapter 7 and 8 on statistics for scatterplots. A scatterplot is the most common display of data. It's an easy way to display data and show trends and relationships.
A pattern that runs from the upper left to the lower right is said to be negative.
A pattern that runs from the lower left to the upper right is said to be positive.
Linear is the plot follows a pattern that generally follows a line.
Non-linear, a plot that follows a pattern that does not follow a line.
Outlier, a point that stands away from all other points on the graph.
Lurking variable, an unknown hidden variable.
The response variable is the y variable on a graph. It is the variable of interest and is dependent on the explanatory variable.
Standardized coordinates formula. This is used for finding the z-score on each point of the graph.
This is the correlation coefficient formula. It is used to measure the strength of the linear association between two quantitative variables.
These are the equations for b0, b1, and y hat. b0 is the y-intercept. b1 is the slope of the line.
Sigma means standard deviation, while mu means the mean.
The line equation, z hat sub y is equal to r times z sub x, and it's the same thing as the y equals mx formula.
Least squares line, or line of best fit.
In long distance calling, there's the amount of time you spent on the phone and the cost for the call. Determine which is the response variable and which is the explanatory variable. The explanatory variable is the time in minutes of your phone call, and the response variable is the cost.
So, a car dealer investigated the association between the number of TV commercials he ran each week and the number of cars he sold the following weekend. He found the correlation to be R equals 0.56. During the time he collected the data, he ran an average of 12.4 commercials. So, the mean of commercials is 12.4, with the standard deviation of 1.8. And for cars, 30.5, and the standard deviation is 4.2. Now, to get the linear model for this, you use y hat equals b0 plus b1x. So, to get b1, you use r times the standard deviation of y divided by the standard deviation of x. So, b1 equals 0.56 times 0.42 divided by 1.8. So, b1 equals 1.307. And to get b0, you do 30.5 equals b0 plus 1.307 times 12.4. And you get b0 to be 14.297. So the equation here is y hat equals 1.307x plus 14.297. And right here should be commercials.
How to find letter R on the calculator. I already have the data put in. So first you go to menu, statistics, stats calculation, linear regression, and put that. Hours and CC, go down. And then press OK. go down a little, and there is your letter R, negative 0.94.
Hello viewers. Thank you for watching our video. I am Jaydeep.
I'm Bailey.
I'm Fennel.